What?
Muslim shower with soap.
Oh. No, I wash my puday.
With fresh wash.
Huh?
You wash your puday with fresh wash.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
It's true.
I'm telling you true.
You washing your puday with fresh wash?
Yes.
Why? You want to make a wash?
Yes. And they're Yes, I said yes. I'm not joking.
You washing with the fresh wash?
I said yes. Buang.
Oh my god. Now you washing with your fresh wash.
Yes, I wash with fish. What? So much soap. If you so much soap, so much become, become. Yes. My, and I'm not always put soap. Just yes. After put my face and then I put my teeth. I brush my teeth. What kind of charger this? Oh my goodness. Alam na hindi na babalik. My God. My hair is so much hairful. Yes. That's why I decide I'm not always wash my hair. Because your hair become weak. But you're not always getting shower, but your hair is still weak. Your hair is still weak. Yes. Oh my God, bungol Jaberia. I said you not always get shower, but your hair is still so weak. What happened? Weak. Weak means in if you doing like that, so much like this. That is mean weak. Buang ba? No, mine. My hair is weak. Huh?
This one and next one is gone already. In the tree also falling down.
Huh?
Next month and this month, the tree leaves is falling down. This way hair is also falling down.
What falling down?
Like weather is changing. You can see outside. Lots of leaves are falling down from trees. Did you saw? This way weather is changing. Your hair, water is changing. Then your hair is also falling down. This way. Because the Gulbar girl also told me, weather is changing, my hair is falling down too much. Then said this happening with me.
But your hair is still falling down.
Huh?
Your hair is still falling down.
Yeah. And you're also stuck.
Yes. Still.
This weather.
From before?
Like maybe Islamabad water is like that. Then after some months we go on back right.
And then that's why Sapina saying me, you try to
What's she saying? Try to do what?
don't always wash your hair because pulling the, I'm scared because maybe same Sapina in my God so much in the bag.
You're not seeing my one. My one also. It's okay.
I said,
You know,
oh my God, I think how
the doctor saying this is falling down. We start thinking so much, then our hair is more falling down. Like someone had so much money, thinking it's from here, hair is all falling down. It's true. It's okay. This is about because of weather. But you start thinking more, then you.
ay nipuga ka jabe yariya yawa ka. Ayok ka jabe riya.
I come in your video.
Oh my
This
God.
is for YouTube one?
Yes.
Oh my god, I will see myself again in it.
Buang.
Same the Fatima Adnan.
Patim- No, I'm not open that Genevieve because my husband don't know about that.
You again is not
Yeah, I get this account is not for me. I making this for my daughter because I want to doing YouTube. Jenny baby.
You will give the Karam mobile to her?
No, I buy new for her, not Karam.
This one
Because-
is fix or no? That is you win this one you have in your hand.
No other. I earned emerging talent but this week recognized with that. Congrats, bro. I bring my lotion because my
This one lotion you buy or madam give you?
madam giving.
Yeah. those
I-
also here.
If I'm not using, who use? That's why I bring. Oh. Buti pa sila nag-earning na. Congratulations.
I think in the December madam going to Dubai.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh my god, I need the lip balm.
Huh?
Lip balm.
What is that? Oh.
I have pimple in my face. I don't know why.
Huh?
Look. Here I have pimple. You know, in these 3 days you're not here. One day I think I brush my teeth and I put lotion, but next day I just brush and I'm not put lotion on my hand or face.
Why?
I don't know, I feel lazy. Then I say, oh, nice here. Otherwise I go wash my face and then I go put lotion and everything. Then I stick. I lazy. I'm not doing. Don't come too much also.
Huh?
Oh, but you're still not feeling down this much. I can do like you can do like that. Make your whole here like here and like that. Going or not?
No.
Your good
Big-
luck.
because I put, rosemary outside, and like I don't know what color that seeds, but I've seen Madam Kitchen.
Madam Grande in the bottle, Madam Maniti. I saw here in the bottle, green bottle. You did.
Yes, and then I put hot water, and then I put her 24 hours. I leave here with rosemary, rosemary here, and then what else? What I put?
Two things.
Cloves,
Yeah.
and then I
Don't
put
use
in my
raw for face because your face here become bigger.
what bigger.
You put in the pink thing. It's not good. It become in your face here.
Face here.
Yeah, glove is not good.
And then
Just two things.
I put with the aloe vera.
In your head.
Yes, my hair.
What in glove and the seeds and rosemary? I think the lady doctor, she's nice, she's telling true. She told me we use the pink oil because my hand is not cut this year. Thank you very much, doctor.
Ay.